Hey, what's up, guys? Showing you guys LED lights. Like I said, showing you how to do things on a budget, how to make cars look nice. Got them here, even got them back here, back over here. And basically, like I said on my title, basically showing you how to ball on a budget. I will be doing an install video, but it's late at night right now, so it's a perfect time for me to come out here and show you what they look like at nighttime. Comes with a remote. I'll put a link in the description down below. Basically, you have solid colors. You can make them flash, or my favorite, the fade. Maybe turn them off, turn them back on. But that's not all. I got a lot more videos coming. I'll be showing you how to install speakers, how to do the in-dash, basically how to turn any car into a really nice car with some simple budget mods. I'll be showing you how to redo rims. Just a lot of different things are going to be coming to this channel that I'm going to be showing you guys. But let's go ahead and jump outside the car, because that's not the only place I put lights. So let's go ahead and jump outside the car so I can show you guys the outside of the car. LEDs on the sides. Come all the way down to the bottom, to the front of the vehicle. Back. And if I come all the way out here, what the vehicle looks like. Way pull back some more. Let the camera focus there. And I have controls for those too, where I can go in and I can change the colors, make them solid. Like I said, I will be showing you some basic mods, how to make any car look nice on a budget. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for watching.